Well, good afternoon, everyone, and this is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this March 30th, 2023. I hope everybody's having a great Thursday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the satellite loop, what's happening around the lower 48. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar, the watches, warning, and advisories across the nation. Also, the Storm Prediction Center 1 through 3, and also day number 6. Okay, I want to thank all my subscribers out there. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I want to thank all the viewers out there for watching my channel. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you to try to keep you up to date with all these weather forecasters, as well as myself, to try to keep you safe during these severe weather season and tropical season, winter storm season, whatever season it is. We will try to keep you ahead of the storms. Alrighty. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's dive on into the details of this forecast. We're looking at the satellite loop across the lower 48 here. As you can see, we got quiet condition along the East Coast. We got a little system up in Canada. There's also another system over the Rockies over here, also over the Midwest as well. These systems will combine and produce some severe weather today over portions of the North and South Dakota region, and also portion of Iowa, and also Nebraska area. Also, we will have some severe weather down in Texas and Oklahoma today as well. Now, tomorrow will be the big day. We have a moderate risk of severe weather over a portion of the Ohio Valley and portion of the South, and then a slight risk and a moderate risk outlined in the area of outside of the enhanced and moderate risk areas and slight risk areas as well. And along the East Coast, from pretty much the mid-Atlantic region all the way down into the southeast, back down toward Louisiana and Florida, you will be under a marginal risk coming up on Saturday. We'll get to that in just a moment as we get into that forecast detail. Alright, we got another little swirl coming in over here in the Pacific Ocean. That will come crashing on shore sometime over the next couple of days, maybe around Friday or Saturday. By next week, by next Tuesday, I'm expecting another severe weather outbreak over portions of the South and Tennessee and Ohio Valley once again. Alright, now let's take a look at the weather radar across the lower 48. Sorry about that little ad pop up. But anyway, we got snow over a portion of Canada, portion of New York State, quiet across the East Coast, all the way down in the southeast. A little bit of shower activity over toward the Bahamas, and also a portion of the Keys area of Florida. Also, we have some showers and thunderstorm activity over Texas. Also, we have some shower and snow showers over Iowa and Minnesota. Also, more snow showers over Montana and portion of Idaho and Oregon states. Also, Utah and also Colorado. A little bit of snow and rain shower activity over Arizona. And also a little bit more shower and mixed precipitation over a portion of California. Alright, over here in Hawaii, we still got some little shower activity moving over in y'all's region. So today, expect showers in y'all's region. Also, we have some rain showers over a portion of southern Alaska, but pretty much most of Alaska is pretty quiet with a few possible snow showers or snow flurries in your region. Warnings and advisories across the lower 48. We have some high wind warnings, watches over here in portion of Pennsylvania, down in Virginia and West Virginia. Frost advisories over portions of Washington, D.C. vicinity. We have also winter storm advisory, winter storm warning, winter storm watches extending from portion of northern Nebraska through portion of South Dakota, southern North Dakota, all the way over to Minnesota and Wisconsin. Also, we have some activity. Also, winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for Montana and Idaho. Winter storm watches for portions of Washington State and also portions of Oregon. Also, winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings over portions of Southern California, and also over here in Utah, Arizona, and over here in Colorado. We have wind advisories over here in Missouri, also portion of western Tennessee, around the Memphis area, and also back over towards Mississippi, also back over toward Little Rock, Arkansas. We have some red flag warnings, high wind warnings, some critical fire weather issues over portions of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, eastern Colorado, and also portions of New Mexico as well. And pretty quiet across the southeastern United States and South Texas, and also portions of Nevada as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. We're looking at general thunderstorm activity over portions of the southwestern United States, over California, portion of New Mexico, Arizona, portion of Nevada, Utah, and Colorado, and Wyoming. Also over here toward Wisconsin, also Michigan, back down into Illinois, also back down into Indiana, portion of Indiana, and also back down to Arkansas and to Texas. Marginal risk over northeast Texas, all the way into Oklahoma, portions of Arkansas and southwest Missouri. Also over here in Nebraska, all the way up into portion of southwest Minnesota and northwest Iowa and southeast South Dakota. Alright, the tornado probability, we only got 2% down here around the Texas area. This will include Wichita Falls, Texas, Lawson, Oklahoma, Duncan, Oklahoma, Atlas, Oklahoma, and Chickasaw, Oklahoma. Alright, winds. Alright, winds will be 5% in the Brown. This is only one little area, same area what I called out. Wichita Falls, Texas to Chickasaw, Oklahoma. And the hail probability is 5% in the Brown. This includes Oklahoma City, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Norman, Oklahoma, Wichita Falls, Texas. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the outlook for day Friday. Okay, this is, as we can see, this is what I was talking about earlier in the video. We got a general thunderstorms in the lighter green, darker green, marginal risk, light risk in the yellow, enhanced risk in the darker yellow, moderate risk in the red. And you're welcome to pause the video, find out if your location are included in that. Let's take a look at the tornado potential. We have green 2%, 5% in the brown, 10% in the yellow, and also hatched area, 15% in the red hatched area. The significant severe weather for a tornado will be included in Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, and Peoria, Illinois. And 15% through 2%. Here's your cities and locations. Welcome to pause the video and find out if your city or location is included in it. Alright, winds. We got a 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow, 30% in the red. Hash/slashed area there a little higher, 45%. The significant severe weather will be Memphis, Tennessee, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Springfield, Illinois, Peoria, Illinois, and Clarksville, Tennessee. 45% Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Iowa City, Iowa, DeQuue, Iowa, and Malone, Iowa. 30% through 5%. Welcome to pause the video and find out if your locations are included in that. Alright, let's take a look at the hail probability. We got 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow. The highest percentage there, the significant severe for hail would be Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Davenport, Iowa, Waterloo, Iowa, Iowa City, Iowa, and DeQuue, Iowa. And 15 and 5 from Chicago, Illinois to Des Moines, Iowa, with a few Memphis, Tennessee, and St. Louis, Missouri. 5% Indianapolis, and Milwaukee, Indianapolis, Indiana, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, all the way over toward Kansas City, Missouri, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky, and Nashville, Tennessee area for that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at day 3. The system moves over to the East Coast. We got a marginal risk extending from portion of Florida, Panhandle through Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina out of Banks, in eastern North Carolina, around the Wilmington area, Columbia, South Carolina, you included, Charleston, Sumter, all the way down to Orangeburg, also down toward the Savannah, Georgia area, and also up here around Pennsylvania, and also a portion of western New York, marginal risk there. This includes Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, Erin, Ohio, and Tallahassee, Florida. Alrighty, and let's take a look at the probability. We got 5% in the brown, 5% there in the same cities I just called out: Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Buffalo, New York, Rochester, New York, Erin, Ohio, and Tallahassee, Florida. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at day 6. Day 6, 15% in the yellow, 30% in the yellow-orange. That's the enhanced risk. The yellow is slight risk. Okay, the enhanced risk, you were included Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, Fayetteville, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, and Jonesboro, Arkansas. And the 15%, this includes Chicago, Illinois, Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, and Kansas City, Missouri. Alrighty, so this concludes today's forecast. I hope everybody has a great day and enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Consider subscribing to my channel. Love to have you. And like the video, share these videos, and get them out to as many people as possible. And also, if you're a new viewer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way I can keep you ahead of the storms as well. Alright, well, I hope everybody has a great day, and we will catch you back in the next one.